Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a few of the Super Stay Ink Crayon lipsticks by Maybelline. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. So out of all these colors, I chose to review 3. So these are the 3 that I'm going to be reviewing here. These are going to be perfect for the fall weather. So let's open them up and see what they look like. Have you tried these before? If you have, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and if you haven't, let me know which colors you are interested in. So the first one we have here is Live on the Edge, and this one is a pinky-ish color. I swatched it on my arm, and then this is what it looks like. So it's a pinky-ish color, and then the next one we have is Talk the Talk, and then this one is more of a lighter pink color. So these are all in the same realm, which are very, very beautiful. And then we have Stop at Nothing. And upon opening this one, it broke. I was devastated because this was actually the one that I was looking forward to trying. But this one is broken, but this is what this one looks like. And then, of course, this one was my favorite. It's beautiful. So that was definitely a bummer. But let's go ahead and swatch these on my lips and see what they look like. So this is what the first one is looking like. This one is actually like my exact lip color, but a little bit more pinky. So this is what this one looks like. And then let's go ahead and grab the other one. This one's more of the darker color. So I normally wear just nothing but nude colors, but I picked this one up, and this one is actually a really, really beautiful deep color. Alrighty, so this is what this one is looking like. What do we think? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Alrighty, now let's try on my favorite one. Still very sad that it's broken, but let's see what this one looks like on my lips. And yep, exactly what I thought it was going to look like. I am obsessed with this color. It is a beautiful color, and I always use like brownish, nudish eyeshadow, so this one matches perfectly with my everyday look. Alrighty, and then this is what it looks like on my lips. What do we think? I am definitely in love with this one. I will definitely be picking up another backup just in case. Alrighty, so these are what these 3 look like. I'm definitely going to be picking up more to try them on, but so far I love them. I also have a Maybelline lip gloss, and I thought that it would look perfect on top of this color. So in this next clip here, you see me applying the lip gloss, and I loved it, so I will definitely be using this combo. Everything that I am using in this video, I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.